Just share a site I just found out about. It's called GuruShots.com. They do daily challenges you can join for free. So you set up a free account and then you want to look for the challenges. So it looks like they've got this one, $240 in prizes. Voting starts soon. So it may be kind of a popularity contest, but it might be a lot of fun, and you might improve your photography just by forcing yourself to enter something every day, something that you're excited about. Look at this, it's all in the details. These could be close-ups. It looks like you can enter maybe, I don't know what this 3 photos means, so maybe it doesn't mean it has a lot of people that have entered it. There's 6 days left in this one. Look, this one's got 15 hours left, wood objects. So there may be some opportunities here to enter. I would highly suggest checking it out. Might be a lot of fun, and maybe I'll do a video after I give this one a try. GuruShots.com.